You know what I love doing? I love talking about the future. Let's talk to the future. And we're going to talk to some Concordia students now. Joined in studio by Marwan Elouaraa and Lam Vo. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Young, fresh faces go to Concordia. It's so funny. I listen, I can make this joke all day long, every day, about how everyone goes to Concordia in the city. Eventually, at one point in your life, you have to go to Concordia. So you guys have done 4 years in mechanical engineering at Concordia, correct?
Yes.
And you've come up with 3 of your classmates, so your group of 5.
Yes.
And you've come up with this, basically a sea robot to collect trash, plastic trash, correct?
Yes, correct.
How'd this come about?
So the initial idea came out. Well, just to say that at Concordia we have a lot of courses that actually teach us about sustainability in engineering.
Yep.
It's not just about making money or just making something work, but it's also about sustainability and efficiency as well. So the idea was proposed by the Concordia mechanical engineering department, and we had
You had to figure out a way to do it.
Exactly.
What are some of the why don't you tell me what are some of the challenges? What do you when you're creating a robot to do this task? What are some of the solutions you have to find?
We would have to conform to the social impact on what would people do when we were to actually build this, and if what would happen if it were actually to be used as a common thing to clean up oceans and the surface of the waters. So we have to overcome on how people might take it for granted, and we have to somehow make sure that the project avoids something like that.
How big is your robot?
Well, it's a scaled down prototype, so we scaled it down by 2 times its size.
Gotcha.
About 3 times its size. So the length of that prototype is about 1 meter long.
Okay, and if you were actually put it into production, how would it accomplish its task? Where would you put it first off to have the most impact, and how would it do it?
Well, that would be the first for the initial idea that we came up with, because we did some research about most of the waste that it's in the ocean, it comes through the rivers and lakes, and we create that waste. So we thought about, since our prototype is approximately 1 meter long, so it would be put in the exit of the rivers, because that's how it gets to the ocean. And if we scale the prototype up and we make a bigger prototype, then we can use it for ocean and sea exploration. It can go out in the sea. For sure, we're going to need to make minor and some major adjustments as well in terms of the specs of the boat. But initially, the idea was to put it at the exits of each rivers and lakes.
Okay, so it seems to me that there's a lot of plastic, right?
Yeah, definitely.
A lot, right?
Yeah.
So you've got how fast is your robot going to get full, and what happens when it's full?
So the prototype. Well, first of all, the prototype is completely autonomous.
Okay.
It has a camera that detects the water on the surface, the plastic on the surface of the water. So basically, there are sensors, and whenever the boat is full, then there's a door that closes the collection bin.
Gotcha.
And then we can actually program the boat to
Return home.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Definitely.
Unload it all. Okay. So in your prototype, your tests, have you dunked it into a pool to try and try so
we actually had a competition.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a competition. We were 3 teams out of 35 that competed for the ocean cleaners.
Okay.
And we actually made it to be fully autonomous.
So Lam, yours was the best of the 35, you'd say?
I mean, I hope so. Yeah, I would say yeah.
What makes yours what's so ingenious about yours?
Well, what caught a lot of people's attention is that our project is the only autonomous vehicle out there in the project, in the competition, and it's pretty cool to see something that we were planning throughout the semester, and it ended up, having its own function and, its own way of, cleaning instead of having us to
do it.
to do it.
Okay, so 4 years at Concordia. That's done. As long as you get your grades and you pass, and you guys look very smart, so you're going to pass. So now it's entering the workforce.
Yes.
You guys want to stay in Quebec?
Yes,
definitely.
Why?
Well, the culture is something that I love to explore here, and people here are very kind, very friendly people.
Yep.
And, I would like to stay here for a while longer and to explore more of Montreal.
Have you started exploring the job market?
Yeah.
And how's it going?
Pretty good so far.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been seeing some things that are very interesting, something that I would like to, expand and focus my knowledge on in this work field. So, yeah, I've been looking around, been applying.
And this mechanical engineering degree, obviously, you created a robot to pick up plastic trash in water, but you could do a lot with this mechanical engineering degree.
Definitely.
What are some of the things? What are some of the things this degree does?
Well, it's very versatile. So you could do things like you could work in this in an aerospace industry, or you can work alongside electronic engineers. Work on some mechatronic system, do some automation, robotics. We could do fluid analysis, thermal analysis to...
Marwan, for you?
Well, just to mention, that's why we love Concordia, because it has a wide variety of subsections of mechanical engineering.
Gotcha.
So, like, for example, I'm in aerospace and propulsion, but it's mechanical engineering. You can actually work in the aerospace, automobile. You can work in HVAC, mechatronics, which is on the rise.
What is that? Mechatronics.
Mechatronics.
That's a Transformer movie.
Yeah, we could build something like that.
Something like that. It's actually combining the mechanics with electronics.
Oh, gotcha.
So
this robot, this C robot,
Yep.
is there a possibility this would actually end up in production, or is it too early to think about that?
We definitely hope so, because I don't know if you've heard about the ocean cleaner project. Founded by Boyan Slat, I think.
Okay. There's a lot of people looking at this problem, right?
Yeah, but you know what I mean? Like, we're looking at it from an efficiency and autonomy point of view. We would love to see it, but at the same time, like I mentioned in my previous interview, like the change has to start from us. It has to come from us.
Less plastic in the first place in the water. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, guys. Thanks for coming on by. Marwan Elouaraa and Lam Vo, students at Concordia in mechanical engineering and trying to save the world.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for wanting to stay in town. I like that. I like when the brains stay in this city. I don't like the brain drain. You know what I'm saying, guys?